Okay.
Loud is volume. Go.
Bistare! Yeah!
All the rooms have this view.
Perfect weekend getaway from Kathmandu. It's time for an update about our resort. It's time to come along with us. Let's go. Right now it's 10:34
We are in Tamil.
and we are in Tamil. So let's see at what time we reach Markhu.
Namaste.
Namaste Visan.
Good morning,
Let's
guys.
go.
Morning.
Oh,
vlog ma hello.
Hello.
We are going
To Markhu and this is the
Markhu.
road.
अनि यो बाटो चाहिँ कहाँको रे अङ्कल भन्नुस् त
यो चखेल फाखेल हुँदै निस्किने कुलेखानी
कुलेखानी
हामी त जङ्गल मलबाट अर्कै बाटो आयौँ कि
होइन जङ्गल मल अहिले त्यहाँबाट देख्छ
Oh my.
आज चाहिँ भाउजूको के भन्छ अरे ब्लग मैले हाइजेक गरेको छु होइन अगाडि हेर्दै जाऊँ ल
Few roads to go to Markhu. Two. And we are taking the second one because the other one is closed, under construction since a long time. It's like the road to Kathmandu to Pokhara is under construction since 10 years.
Under construction of this road
Yes,
right now
that's true.
हामी चाहिँ जाममा अब बाटो क्लिन हुँदैछ
Yes.
clouds of dust
Yeah.
अब चाहिँ आउँदैछ dust
यस लुक
this is the cloud
We don't see.
dusty cloud
डस्ट
Oh my goodness.
कहिले नआउने यो बाटो है
This is the road to Khulekhani.
yeah
This is the road,
Khulekhani to
actually,
it
This is a reality.
yeah
एक्चुअली दिस इज द रोड टु तराई
And the road to Terai.
हाईवे
this is the highway
So many bikers here. Saturday. So it's 12:30, less than 2 hours. Okay, let's have some lunch before visiting the sites. Our site.
बवाल भन्छ त
Baval. We are at this small local restaurant just nearby the resort. And this is the view. Very nice view. Khulekhani Lake View Resort. This is barbecue spot. It's not the perfect weather today. It's a little cloudy. Looks like it's gonna rain. But still beautiful, especially in winter. Time for lunch. Time for organic local lunch. Local organic food. Nepal Italy.
okay
Nepali style with local ingredients. Now it's time to visit the resort and show you the progress since the last video we did 1 year ago. So if you are in Kathmandu and have no time to go to Pokhara, this is a small Pokhara nearby Kathmandu. Namaste, namaste. We can see the big difference between last year and now. And this will be the best view in all over Markhu, Khulekhani. No doubt.
okay म तपाईँलाई एक्सप्लेन गरिदिन्छु ल that will be our parking हैन this is साडी यो रुखसम्म चाहिँ फ्युचरमा we extend
Yeah.
walls or building or
Okay,
villa
okay, yeah.
what we need हैन पछि चाहिँ हाम्रो रिक्वायरमेन्ट अनुसार चाहिँ we'll change or we'll decide about that.
Okay.
This was Sadi, there will be the parking, main parking, right? So space will be extended.
Yes, yes.
Then this portion will be as an upper level will be multi-purpose hall, conference
Okay,
as
that's
an
good, that's
banquet hall,
Yeah.
and the lower part will be the club,
Yeah,
night
nightclub.
dance club, with a bar.
Soundproof.
Yeah, soundproof, so that we place lower person.
Yes, yes.
That will be incorporate all sound inside the room. यहाँ नजिकको सबैभन्दा प्रब्लम चाहिँ के छ भने राति मान्छेहरूले ड्याङ्की ड्याङ म्युजिक बजाइदिने सो उहाँकोले यहाँ डिस्टर्ब हुने सो हाम्रो चाहिँ त्यो we avoid that one. So यो त्यहाँदेखि यो स्पेससम्म विल प्लानिङ एज एन वकवे हाम्रो रिसेप्सनसम्म जानको लागि चाहिँ we have to be certain travel space, we have to walk space हैन सो त्यो टाइपमा त्यहाँ ड्रप गर्छ ड्रप गरिसकेपछि ड्राइभरले फेरि टर्न टु ब्याक
ओके
गाडीहरू हैन
Yeah.
सो त्यसरी चाहिँ यो सर्टेन बिचको इन्टरमिडिएट स्पेस भयो एन्ड वी आर गोइङ फ्रम दिस साइड है
Okay.
यो पोर्सन दिस पोर्सन विल बी द गार्डन
Okay.
and then this lower portion will be the hall, multi-purpose hall, and this place will be the helicopter
Pad.
landing park.
Yeah.
And then open water fountain spot. Entry from garden to room.
Okay.
We can see the big swimming pool.
Yeah.
The reception block will be here.
Okay. Downstairs.
Here's
Yeah.
the material. And then
What is your inspiration? Iron Man?
yeah, no.
No.
It's a like some part of is demanding Iron Man house.
Yeah.
And my concept is this is the form.
Yeah, it's true.
From the
it's
land.
true. It makes sense. Iron Man is pretty cool concept, huh?
Yeah. त्यसलाई एक्ज्याक्ट वर्ड चाहिँ भन्न आएन तर
Okay.
के हुन्छ भने स्पिरिचुअलीमा चाहिँ हामीले जब गडलाई शुद्ध दुध चढाउँछौँ नि
Okay.
हैन त्यस्तो कुराहरू छ अलिकति फिलोसफिकल कुराहरू छ हैन
It's very unique concept, huh?
त्यो भन्न मिल्ला
You have imagination.
Yeah.
3 categories. Standard, deluxe, and presidential. Yeah, we are beginning to see in others vlogs. We are beginning to see this resort. We can see it from everywhere.
From here to this place, we have a one room.
Okay.
And then here to here.
It's beautiful.
Look at this side, Bazu.
Yeah.
This is so
It's perfect. The view. I'm happy that is a high ceiling. So, bathroom is here.
My plan is here. This people are planning here.
You're the architect.
Yeah.
They should follow you.
These people are going to avoid that my plan.
Why?
What plan?
The bathroom near the balcony is good. You can take your bath and see the view.
Yeah, त्यही त थियो प्लान हैन सुरुमा
Yeah, तपाईहरुले चेन्ज गर्ने
But they are doing that. Yeah. Don't change.
बाथरुमको अगाडिपट्टि साइडमा के बाल्कनी साइड राम्रो भएन भनेर
Let's follow that.
सोच हजुर
Still
टाइम छ नि
do we
त
have a time?
Yeah.
कुनै रुममा गरे हेरौँ न ट्रायल गरेर हेरौँ न
I have
चेन्ज गर्नु
convinced all of
No,
I am convinced.
yeah, I am convinced.
From the balcony, all the rooms have this view.
Swimming pool be here, Bazu. When you take the picture, that time swimming pool ko position बाट चाहिँ you can take two person ko picture.
That's awesome.
Then it will be seamless. Pattern will be your
Infinity
pool
pool.
with
Even from here, you have a good view.
Ani हाम्रो
Swimming
reception
pool.
will be there.
Yes.
And त्यहाँबाट यहाँ access हुन्छ.
Okay.
And we are going down from here.
Okay.
Luxury with adventure.
Oh yeah.
Bazu उता हेर्नुस् न.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday
To you.
This is the restaurant.
Okay. Okay. The kitchen looks amazing. Oh ouais. yeah, kitchen.
With the central kitchen.
Kitchen.
And Udako part is general store. General store. It's outdoor restaurant zone. This is indoor restaurant. This is whole part up to there.
This is very good.
And this will be the swing
This level.
from
Okay.
here to almost 50,
Okay,
60 feet.
yes.
This is the bar. We have the rock bar.
Oh, yeah.
This is the rock. And
Yeah.
we are going to place here bar.
Bar.
त्यो वाल अनि नै भइसकेको पिलर हाल्नु पर्दैन यो वाल हाम्रो यस्तो भएको हजुर
It's still in the construction. There is something downstairs? Tiksha.
त्यो रुखबाट यस्तरी घुमेर यहाँ त्यो रुखसम्म आउँछ
त्यो रुख हैन उयो यता
यतैसम्म
त्यो रुखसम्म
त्यो रुख त्यहाँसम्मै आउँछ उयो खनिराट आउँछ भनेपछि त ठुलै बनाउने बच्चाहरूको दुईतिर अनि बिचमा चाहिँ ठुलो मान्छेको छ होइन तिम्रो प्लानिङ अनुसार
यता बच्चाको एउटा आउटडोर जकुजी एउटा स्विमिङ पुल
Some changes. It's taking shape now. The view. And it continues over there. Someone wrote Ironman property. But this is 100% inspired. This building is almost ready. And that is fantastic. Let's visit. Not bad. Not bad.
Our window also going to finish.
Yes. Let's go.
Let's go. Here is the outdoor waiting space. There will be outdoor sofa.
Outdoor sofa.
And this is Sadiq. Good morning. Sun is coming from this side
Yes.
with the local architecture.
What is nice, yeah, this is
Traditional.
houses
Yeah.
from Khulekhani.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go first.
This is our
Building.
reception.
Okay. So that is for this part. It's separated from the other one. Huh?
This is only for this block. This is a small lounge.
Yeah.
There will be two sofa and there will be the
Okay,
counter.
okay.
And this window will be changed glass we are going to use. This is the store.
Storeroom, okay.
This is our storeroom. This is staff room. This is our restaurant. Unit capacity.
That's so nice.
This is our
barbecue space
Yeah, barbecue space.
Bow. Come, Amber, Etta. Let's go.
Okay.
This is the outdoor.
Nice. Even from here you have the view.
Yeah, you have a view from restaurant.
Outdoor restaurant inside the traditional village. And the big resort is there. Little cheaper than the other space.
Let's see the general views.
Okay, let's see the room here.
Oh, really? We'll come back again. Yo.
Okay.
Every room has bathroom.
Okay.
I will go outside.
You go outside. So we can consider there is, wow, two hotel. This one is the most affordable one.
Here is also
Yes.
balcony.
No, it's not that. You have a balcony and look the view here.
Kuda Panisa.
You have the view.
Papa.
Yeah.
So this is more the budget hotel.
Yes.
Amazing. You vlog ma चाहिँ
Yes. Wow! What a view! That's so nice.
आउनु सक्नु लाग्छ है तल अब फाइनल कोड बाँकी हो आउनु पाउँछ
Okay.
ल आउनुहोस् भाउजू आउनु तपाईँ पनि
Electricity.
ल आउनुहोस्
Okay. Hola. Yes. Yeah.
यहाँबाट यता हेर्नु पनि रमाइलो छ.
Yeah.
You can see 360 view.
But
from
yeah,
here. Yes.
Oh, it's gonna be glass? Yeah.
Attic space using a glass. Then we can count the stars.
Yeah, that's good. Babal. Dere Babal. I'm coming. How? What is the plan? You know, what is the plan là? That's why it's not easy. Bistare! Yeah! Oh my god. I like the fact it's very near the village. 360 view. Yeah. Barbecue. You know, sometimes I want to speak French in my video because I'm not a native English speaker, and sometimes my tongue is flipping and not everybody can understand me. But I think it will be reaching more people if I speak English, especially about this site. And even better Nepali. Next time Nepali. Let's go.
Namaste.
Namaste. So let's go boating because it's closing soon. And after we'll see where we sleep tonight. We'll see where we sleep tonight. We decided to not book anything and go with the flow. Is this the same place? Oh my god, it was so much spaces to sit down and to enjoy. Yeah. Is it the same place? Yeah. Yeah, Dami, what is this building?
Yes, what is that? Keep on it,
Yeah. Yeah. Cycling, yeah.
डेन्जर के बनायो
Make me laugh.
कत्रो बवाल प्रोजेक्ट क्या It's really nice.
Yes.
कस्तो मजा पर्फ देख्दो रहेछ What's that? What's that? What's that?
Yeah.
People look at
Wonderful, huh?
बा खत्रै देख्दो रहेछ
From here, you can really see. For the opening. I think it's a bacha. For bacha.
बच्चाको रहेछ बच्चाको
Yes. Yeah.
Babu Superman!
Babu.
Babu Superman! Fly! Fly! Yay! Fly! Babu fly! Fly!
Ouais, Bistare. You pissed. Voilà. Panichi Socha. Beautiful, huh? Best view all over Khulekhani, Markhu. Best view ever. Even in Pokhara, you don't have this view. Okay, now the craziness is over.
Yeah.
You like this? You wanna see?
There will be 3 restaurants on site. In the previous building, we'll have a cottage-like restaurant. It will be local traditional food. Then we will have downstairs, there, we will have a poolside restaurant, and we will have a restaurant on the rooftop as well. So on the rooftop, it will be a massive view on the beautiful lake. The first restaurant will be open very soon, in January. Maybe the time I do this video, it will be already open. So if you are near Kathmandu, no need to go in Pokhara. We have this amazing place here, this amazing view. Perfect weekend getaway from Kathmandu. Next time I do a video, this building will be open. So we'll do a short video about this restaurant and this building. The restaurant will have a name, we are working on it. Lot of video coming up because we are coming to Markhu, but not always doing a video. It can be boring to show you the process, but now it's taking shape. And in the next video, we will show you this beautiful building. Ready?
Ready, go.
Let's go. See you very soon at La Clique Resort and Spa in Markhu, Khulekhani.
3-star.
Picture yourself waking up to this view. Soon you will be able to experience the best of nature, wellness and luxury all in one magical place. La Clique Resort and Spa.